Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Adobe Acrobat auto update. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explained everything about how to disable Adobe Acrobat Reader DC automatic updates. So step 1, disable Adobe Acrobat update task. The first step to disable the automatic updates in Adobe Reader is to disable the Acrobat update task in Task Scheduler. To do that, at the search box, type Task Scheduler, open Task Scheduler, like right here in the picture, click at Task Schedule library at the left, and then at the right pan, right click at Adobe Acrobat Update Task, and select Disable. Then close Task Scheduler and continue to the next step. Step 2. Disable Adobe Acrobat Update Service. The next step is to disable the Acrobat Update Service by using one of the methods below. Method 1. Disable Adobe Acrobat Reader DC Automatic Updates through Services. Simultaneously press Windows plus R keys to open Run command box. In Run command box, type service.msc and press Enter. Double-click Open to open Adobe Acrobat Update Service properties. Set the startup type to disabled. Click OK and restart your computer. After following the above steps, Adobe Reader will not download and install updates automatically. If you want to download and install new updates manually, then from Adobe Reader's menu, choose Help and then check for updates. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.